Hey everyone, and welcome back to CJ Race Cars YouTube channel.
On this episode of CJ Race Cars, you're going to see what years and years of innovation has led up to. This will be our biggest product release ever. We have spent the money and the time to come up with something groundbreaking.
Today I'm here with Troy Fedora. I'm sure if you guys watch the channel, you've met Troy Fedora before. He does a lot of, the reason he's here is because he does a lot of the sheet metal, a lot of the body alignment, stuff like that. He's been doing it for 75 years or something, long time. So we came up with probably our best product ever. We have a way we like to do everything, but we also want to make sure we can give you guys what you want. So we've noticed a trend. Wheel fitment is a really big thing nowadays, right? Everyone's kind of...
Well, the problem is people like these sleek bodies and you can't fit the big tires under them without a lot of body modification, and you got to limit the body modification or you kind of lose the effect of having a really slick car. So I think we've come up with the ultimate solution for this.
You want to get the wheels real far out, as far as you can.
As far as you can, absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Like,
so we've got a few customers that basically we've seen, you know, what they've come up with, and I think we got a good package for you, and we're going to show you what we got. So to start with, this is our 8-inch to 4-inch wedge rocker. You can see we got our logo in it. The best thing about this rocker here is you can run a really big tire. You can run it all the way out. It's not going to hit nothing. So comes with your Zeus tabs, all your Zeuses. This is going to be a Zeus on rocker, and I'll show you in a minute why we're going to make this Zeus on. This is steel. But we will do them in titanium for ultra lightweight applications with a 44-inch tire.
Absolutely.
So this will be a nice rig here. So what happens is you can get the back of the car real high and pretty much get all the tire underneath the wheel well opening. Yeah. So you can get it out. You can even get it out past if you want more.
And the way this is designed to come straight down, as opposed to turn in like a stock rocker.
Right. This is more like a funny car.
More like a funny car, exactly.
Yeah. So this is a really good. This is really good. But
it's going to solve a lot of problems.
Yeah, I've noticed this does help.
And we do make them a little long, so for shorter wheelbase cars, you just, you know, shorten it up.
Yeah, this is actually for a 69 Camaro, but what we're going to do is, there's this one, and then we'll get to what we got going on next. But worst case, if this one doesn't work, you can order it. It comes with, you can get this one with a hammer. So if you need a little more clearance back here, you just hammer it a little bit. But if this one doesn't work, what we got, so like we said, that's our 8-inch rocker. So if that one doesn't work, we got the 12-inch. If you say to us, look, Cameron, what I got going on, I live in Florida, it's July.
I need 44s under my Camaro.
It's too hot to race, but the mud hole's got something going on. So now you can pretty much take your Pro Mod
jacket to the moon, buddy.
You can take it to Redneck Yacht Club, wherever you want to do
sir.
it. Yeah, this right here will clear 44s, but we've also teamed up with Mike Stravinos, and he's helped us on this package here. So what we got is, you got a leveling kit in the front, because obviously we know you can get the back up, but we need to make sure we get the front just right. So Mike's supplied us with these. So this will all come as a package. You can pretty much just put it on and go right to the mud hole.
Yep. And this is going to lower the mounting point of the strut, theoretically.
This is
raising the front of the car.
This is good. Yeah, this will work good. So, and then we're working with FabTech too on a lift kit for the back for this rig here. So, but all right, well that's it. These are gonna be on the website. If you guys have any questions on these or anything, just let us know.
Yeah, absolutely. And again, like, follow, and share, and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Any other ideas for new products, hit us up.
Thanks for watching.
You bet.